Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Honda Click idle. First, ensure your scooter's engine is completely warm. About 10 minutes of riding should be enough. You will need a screwdriver, typically a Phillips head, and ideally a tachometer for the most accurate results. This guide will help you achieve a smooth and consistent idle for optimal performance and a better riding experience. Now, let's find the idle adjustment screw. On your Honda Click, this is typically the throttle stop screw, located near the throttle body where the throttle cable connects. It might be a bit tucked away, so look carefully for a small screw with a spring. This specific screw is what you will turn to modify your engine's idle speed, ensuring proper engine function. With the engine running and warm, you can now adjust the idle. Turning the throttle stop screw clockwise will increase the engine's revolutions per minute, making the idle faster. Conversely, turning it counterclockwise will decrease the idle speed. The ideal target is around 1700 revolutions per minute, plus or minus 100 for most Honda Click models, ensuring smooth operation. After making your adjustments, let the engine run for a moment to stabilize. Listen closely to ensure the idle is smooth and consistent, without any hesitation or excessive vibration. A brief test ride will confirm that your scooter performs well at various speeds and that the idle holds steady when you come to a stop. Enjoy your perfectly tuned Honda Click and a more enjoyable ride.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.